You're on. These are the two dual Renault fuel tank sending units for Neil. And here they are all fixed up and cleaned up and working. And we're going to show you how they work. So they're both, currently the floats are in their upper positions. So if the tank is full and we have about 10 ohm resistance, we're on the times 10 scale. So the upper one is going to deplete and go to about 60 ohms. And then the bottom one's going to start depleting and goes up to about 240, 250.
Yeah,
and that is...
Yeah, that's typical range of most fuel tank gauges. 0 to 250 in 2 stages for this crazy thing.
And then we have the emergency light too, which it's empty now. Here we switch over to that. You can see we have, there it is on, and then that's off. There's no continuity there. And then there it is going on.
Great. All right. Thanks, Matt.
Mm-hmm.